Enabling two-factor authentication on OneDrive adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account sign-in page and enter your credentials to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Security section in the menu. Click on it to access your security settings. Step 3. Set up two-step verification. Look for the option labeled two-step verification or two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You will be prompted to select how you want to receive your verification codes. Options typically include an authenticator app, text message, or email. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your verification method, confirm it by entering the code sent to you. Once confirmed, make sure to save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your OneDrive account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your verification method accessible to avoid being locked out of your accounts.